U James Sangma na ka party NPP mendagasi ula thep Kyrtong kumu Kyrtong Rajya Sabha. Hakani ka jin thep Kyrtong jong u na lang da u menteri rangba ka jela ringkat kiweipat ki menteri sarkar. U James Sangma on sajap suk hakani ka Rajya Sabha namar kumba kalong kidan sanpu ingut ki MLA hak sarkar senrap kat ba ki MLA hakaliang persya kidan tang khandai ngut.
Hi, God.
Hi, sir.
Morning. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Adios. Hey, brother. Hi.
Only 5 allowed here in any case. You don't see any such allowed.
Sir, today you have filed your nomination. If you can tell us what will be your priorities in the Rajya Sabha?
I'm first of all very grateful to the people of Meghalaya and also especially to the Chief Minister, Rupang and Sangma, all the Deputy Chief Ministers, both of them, Kyrtong and Rajya all our honorable ministers, our MLAs, and also our alliance partners from the DPP, HSP, and independents for having supported my candidature to the Council of State's Rajya Sabha. And today I've just finished filing the nominations, and I look forward to being elected, and hopefully after the election process is over and I'm elected, the responsibilities of the member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, if it would fall on my shoulders, I will look at how many of the issues, both which have been pending for a long time, and also issues which we as a state must collectively look at navigating in the future. These are the issues that I intend to be very vocal about in the upper house in Rajya Sabha, so that the voice of Meghalaya can be heard in the Parliament in Rajya Sabha. Collectively made by the MDA too, and all I can say is that I'm deeply honored and I feel very privileged to be unanimously selected by the MDA too. And as I've been saying that me as a person who is here to serve the people of Meghalaya, I will be taking on any responsibility that is given upon me, and similarly today the MDA too has given this responsibility of being the candidate of the MDA too, and I look forward to carrying out this.
Sir, this is expected to be uncontested thing because opposition parties.
Well, we have to still wait till the end of the day. Today is the last day of filing nominations, so I don't think we can jump to conclusions here. But yes, if it were to be uncontested, then again this is something that I feel extremely privileged and happy about, that the decision to send an MP Rajya Sabha to Parliament by the state of Meghalaya is one which does not have any contest, and thereby I will be collectively representing the entire state. Yes, see, of course, consensus basically means that after discussion, whatever differences there may have been, it's always a matter of coming together and discussing whatever issues there are, and then coming to a unanimous decision. So the consensus comes from the fact that there was discussion, and finally all the alliance partners decided to move forward finally.
Sir, since you are
That's very early in the day, I would say, because the elections are still a good 2 years away. And again, elections is also based on the needs and the demands of the people. So we will assess that situation and then we'll accordingly see that. It's too early in the day to respond.
So your nomination doesn't mean that you will not come back to state politics. Assembly elections are 2 years away.
The term of the member of parliament of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. So I do not intend to come back and complete this term. It would be very, very unfortunate for anyone to go there and then abruptly just come back.
Okay, coming to you are holding the president of MCA, Meghalaya Cricket. Is there any problem in continuing?
No, I think the law is very clear on that. That any cricketer association, the Lodha Commission is clear that as an MLA, as an MP, you can hold an executive position in sports associations, not as a minister or not as a government secretary.
So will you be intervening there and not getting salary, the support staff? MCA. So will you be intervening?
This is an internal matter of the MCA. Of course, I don't shy away from the fact that there are problems. These are problems which have been going on for a very long time, legacy issues, and because of those kind of challenges and those kind of problems, that certain processes have come to a stop. But we expect to resolve all those kind of problems and issues at the earliest so that the salaries can be addressed. I'm very, very concerned about the staff, be it the support staff or the office staff. So we are trying very hard to ensure that we can resolve that at the earliest.
There will be a commitment to the women cricketers because there has been no committee on sexual harassment in the Cricket Association.
Correct. There has to be an internal committee for posh cases. So I took over in the month of January, as you all know, so it's not been a very long time, but I'm very, very aware of the situation and the lacunae and the loopholes that are there in the MCA. For example, we did not have an ombudsman for a good 2 years in the past. So the first thing that I did as an MCA president was to fill up that post and bring in an ombudsman. Similarly, the internal complaints committee also is something that we will be taking up immediately now. We are just waiting for the report to come from the Women's Commission. As and when that report is brought out, we will take appropriate steps to address the issues pertaining to the internal complaints committee.
thank you.
Thank you.